My name's Peter Macfadyen, and about 10 years ago I got involved in a town council in Frome, where essentially we said we need to trust the people and we need to give them the power, we need to give them the decision making and move the way that councils work. And now Extinction Rebellion, through its Future Democracy Hub, has put together a new movement called Trust the People. And our work in Frome and Flatpack Democracy, which was a book that I wrote about it, is very much a part of that movement. It's saying that if you want to take over, if you want to reclaim power in your local community, you can do that. And that will help us to retain some of the best things that have come out of the last few months, where people have really got to know their communities and the people who they live with better. I'm talking about that on a programme called The Spark on Radio 4, which you can listen to with a link below. So that's The Spark, listen to that. It's Trust the People, a whole new movement that you can join and take a power in your local community, and Flatpack Democracy, which describes how to do it.